Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see other viewers on your Facebook story. So if you go to a story, you will see option here, others here. So if you tap on this other option, it will show you as this story is public. People who are not your friends, they can also see. So if you want to know how to see other people that are watching your story, like who they are, so you can't see here, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So you need to go to these three lines in the upper right corner, just tap on it, and now scroll down a little bit and tap on this settings and privacy, go to settings, and then you have to go to this audience and visibility, and you will see option called stories. So tap on stories, then you need to go to the story privacy here, and remember that you will only have the others option if you made your story public mode here. So if you have friends or custom option here, the other option will not show you in your story. So if you want to see the other option here, just tap on custom here, and here you will see all the list of your friends that watching your story. But if you want to know who the other viewers that are viewing your story and not your friends, you just have to swipe here left to right. As you can see, I'm swiping left to right here. You will see that are the pupils who are watching your story and they are not your friends. So that's it for this video. That's how you can see other viewers on Facebook story. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.